Le mɔɖeŋu ame ɖe le sɔ dzi, wọ́n gbɔ Agbadza le mɔɖeŋu, ame ɖe le sɔ dzi, ɖe wọ́n gbɔ ma yi Agbadza le mɔɖeŋu, ame ɖe le sɔ dzi, ne wọ́n gbɔ ma yi. Mi wọ́n gbɔ ma yi kanawe. Dawame fifio ne wọ́n gbɔ ma yi kanawe ne wọ́n gbɔ ma yi taume. Worodu. Good morning and welcome to my channel. I first made this video in French, but people have been requesting this video in English, so I will do this video in English. In this video, I will talk about Agbadza. I've done previous video also in French, where I was interpreting the Ewe traditional rhythms. So today is going to be Agbadza. Agbadza is a traditional rhythm which is common among the Ewe people, the Aja people, the Wachi people, and the Mina people. Those people are located in Ghana, Togo, and Benin. Agbadza drives us to the 17th century because it was originally war songs. At the time, there were many conflicts among the tribes and also with the Europeans who came to colonize our ancestors. So Agbadza was a way to prepare for war and also to express the importance of life. Agbadza can be separated in two words, which are Agbea and Ja. Agbe or Agbea means life, and Ja means flow. So Agbadza can be translated like life is flowing. Agbadza is a dance which is also related to another dance which name is Agbekor. Agbekor can be translated by life is pure. So Africans in general, and especially the Ewe, have the tendency to celebrate life, and Africans value life. So Agbadza is a way to resist and also to hang on to life. Agbadza can be played slowly and fast depending on the occasion because there are different varieties of Agbadza. At the beginning of Agbadza, most of the time there is a part which is spoken. You also have sometimes where it's a cappella, and then you have bells playing at the back, and you have the singer singing like he's talking. Then you have other stages of Agbadza where drums can be played slow or fast. Agbadza can be played at festivals, funerals, cults, and ceremonies. By cults, I mean the African traditional spirituality, such as Afa, which is a spirituality from the Ewe people, and also Yev, which is also another type of cult. But with the foreigner, now Agbadza can be played at church and by Christians. I've proved in another video that traditional songs, some of them have been remasterized or have been changed into Christian songs. So yes, Agbadza can be played by Christian song, and even the lyrics, some of the lyrics have been changed into Christian songs. So I will show you a video of how Agbadza is danced and played, so you can see more and you can know more about Agbadza. So I've chosen 4 samples of Agbadza songs. I will play each sample, and after each sample playing, I will just we just look at the lyrics, and I will try to explain them and comment each song. So let's start with the first sample. Jobamachi from Adeti, from Amagan Adeti, which is a renowned singer from Lome, Togo in Kojoviakope. So let's start. So, as I said earlier, Agbadza is related to war and to fight. And in this song, the composer of the song wants to show his courage or his braveness. He's saying that he will stay on the battlefield. I think that what he wants to say is that he needs to win. He needs to win. So he needs to stay on the battlefield. And even if he loses, he will stay on the battlefield. So yes, he wants to show his courage. Also say that the feet will not move. So that means that no matter what, you need to stay on the battlefield. Excuse me for the mistake on the translation. I think I've done one mistake. Now let's listen to the second song. Jogbe Nyemuchuto, also from Amagan Adeti. Let's listen.
be togo young tutor. Sababe kwa togo adiro. Dada be togo young tutor. Sababe kwa togo adiro. Adabe ba togo young tutor. Sababe kwa togo. Togo be ba togo young tutor. Togo be togo young tutor.
So this song is telling us that the battlefield belongs to the man. The battlefield is a place where people fight, and only strong men or strong people are supposed to be there. So I think that the composer of the song is telling us that he's strong. He's strong, and the battlefield is meant for strong people. He also said that if he dies, he wants to be buried on the battlefield. So this song is related to the first one, or the two of them are kind of similar in the meaning. So yes, the battlefield is where things are going to sort out. The winner, there will be winners and there will be losers. So yes, the battlefield. He wants to stay in the battlefield no matter what, and even if he dies, the battlefield will be his last home. Let's go on with the third song, which is Kumanyenu Okponcho from Midao Alowoye. Death is not something one can see, or death, nobody can see its body. So let's hear the third sample.
Gachimanya ngokpo chore mawi godo afomaro virgin ekumanya ngokpo chore mawi.
So in this song, the singer, the composer of the song is telling us that death seems to worrying him in a way that death is causing a problem to him. But unfortunately, we all know that we cannot avoid death. Everybody will die one day. How and when, we don't know. But what he wants to say is that if death was a person, or if death had a body, he would put his foot on its throat. So yes, it's just a way of saying that death is causing trouble to him. And I've put some words down the lyrics. Ku, gachiku, salagachi, jesu, all those words means death in Ewe. Death is sometimes referred as a monster or as a wild animal, and sometimes death is referred with those various names. So the way that the old people have various name to call death is the image or the idea of death can be different from time to time, and those words show us that death in the airway conception is often seen as something that is bad. So let's continue with the fourth sample. Kahohonu Ogbeyado from Semeko Amagaibo, which means the new rope is made from the old rope. Let's hear the sample. Okay, so these songs refers to the time when our ancestors were prisoners under the king Agbekor. So this drives us back to the end of the 19th century and the beginning of the 18th century, where the composer of the song is like challenging someone to come. If someone has a solution to get them out of the wall, then let this person come. I think that our ancestors were tired of being held by the king Agbekor, and singing and dancing was a way for them to keep hope and to give them courage. So many songs were made in that way, and this one typically, which is playing on Atrikwi, which is the ancestor of Agbadza. Atrikwi is another form of Agbadza, an ancient one or an old one. So let's say that Atrikwi is the ancestor of Agbadza. Atrikwi, when the drums are played, you will hear that they are not played as Agbadza. You see difference. So I'm not go further with Atrikwi, just saying that this song is telling us that the new rope is made from the old rope. It also means that it's a proverb, which means that we need to use the foundation, the base of something to create a new one. So it also reminds us the importance of a tradition or culture that we can use to sustain in life and to build new things. I'm done with this video. I just hope you like it, and sorry for my bad English. If I say things that are not good or incorrect, please forgive me, and if you have any comments to make, just feel free to comment and like the video and also share it. I will come back and make other videos on borborbor or afrobeat next time. And yes, that's it. Thank you for watching.